Hi neighbors, welcome back to another video of Cooking with Neighbors. My name is Jerri-ellen and welcome to my channel. It is my pleasure to have you here and I appreciate the time you take out of your day to come by my kitchen. Make sure you say hi in the comment section. Today I'm making a crock pot recipe. It is filling for tacos. It's really tasty. It's got beans and rice, seasonings, and it's really delicious. You can mix all of this up the night before and put it in your refrigerator the night before you're going to make it. If you know, say you have a busy day and the next day, or you're just doing prep work for the next day meals, you can do that. You can easily do that. I'm just going to put it in my crock pot and get her going and have it with hubby later. The beans, you can do all black beans. You can do, I like putting like the 6-bean medley and black beans in it. And any leftovers, this is good in a burrito. Like if you're making burritos, just let it cool off a bit. Make your burritos. But we're putting it in tacos when it's done. I'm going to rinse off my beans. Each can is 540 mils, so 19 ounce cans. Yeah, this, man, I tell you, I have so many crockpot recipes on the channel. And I'll leave a link to a playlist at the end of this video and under the video for you all. Oh my goodness, why is this can so hard to open up? Don't ask me. Okay, all rinsed. I'm going to tilt you down so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I have a can of diced tomatoes. It is 796 milliliter can. So like about 26 fluid ounces. Okay. I'm going to leave the juices in with that. Put that in. Graham likes these. I'm going to add a can. The rice that I'm using today, I tell you what I really like to use, but I don't have any left. It's like just all like wild rice. It's pretty tasty. This is tasty too. It has a mix of long grain rice and wild rice that I'm going to add to it. So the green chilies. I'm going to add my rice. I'll show you the package that I'm using. It's a half a cup. I'm just using a half a cup of that. And I'm going to put a full cup of vegetable broth. You can use chicken or beef if you like. 1 cup. And if you don't have any broth, just throw in a cup of water. Now for my seasonings, I'm going to put a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, keeping it simple, a teaspoon of cumin powder, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of oregano. Give it all a mix. I'm going to turn this on. Put the cover on. Okay, neighbors, now I'm telling you, you got to make this. If you want to just have something different in your tacos, but want to know that it's going to be good, I'm telling you, this is good. It's delicious. Now, cook time. 3.5 hours on high. It took on my crock pot for the rice to be cooked and absorb the juices and whatnot. And if you want to cook it on low, you're looking at about 5-6 hours on low. And look at this. It looks so good because it is so good. Toppings that, additional toppings, the usual, some grated cheese, shredded lettuce, and some sour cream. And I'll get this put together and give it a little tasty poo. And Neighbours, it does have a little bit of heat. I would say about a medium level. Graham likes a bit of heat, and I can't handle too much heat. But it's enough that I can handle, and it's enough that he can taste a little bit of heat from the chili powder and the diced green chilies. And using the 6-bean medley mixed with the black beans, it really has a lot of flavor. It's a very tasty taco filling. I hope that you get a chance to give it a try. And again, I thank you all so much for being here. I do hope that if you're not subscribed, that you consider subscribing. And please come back again. Take care, everyone. Have a blessed rest of the week. Bye.